Is the 2026 Tesla Model 3 still the electric car to beat? With new updates and cutting-edge tech, Tesla's compact sedan continues to push the boundaries of what an EV can do. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Let's dive into what makes the latest Model 3 a standout in today's electric landscape. Design. Starting with design, the Model 3 keeps its sleek, minimalist look with clean lines and a futuristic vibe. The streamlined exterior is aerodynamic and modern, while inside, Tesla's signature minimalist cabin focuses on simplicity and technology. The large central touchscreen controls almost everything, giving the interior a spacious, uncluttered feel. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, the floor, you'll find improved battery tech delivering longer range and faster acceleration. The 2026 Model 3 can zip from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds in the performance trim, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. Plus, the all-wheel drive system offers confident handling in all conditions. Features and technology. Tesla remains a leader in tech. The 2026 Model 3 features the latest version of Autopilot, with enhanced driver assistance and more robust self-driving capabilities. Over-the-air updates keep the car improving long after purchase. Other highlights include premium audio, heated seats, and a refined user interface on the touchscreen. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 blends performance, style, and tech into an EV that's both exciting and practical. It's a solid choice whether you're new to electric or a longtime fan. What do you think about the latest Model 3? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest, up-to-date reviews right here on Next Gen Reviews. Thanks for watching.